Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So, like my setup is not right because my camera is not working. So, again, I'm using my phone. For some reason, every single time I'm about to like record, look what this thing did. Look at that. The toothpick they put in there. There go the toothpick. So basically, my son is right here. So basically, it's two, they call it sandwiches, but it's like vegan burger, right? And my leg is falling asleep. I don't eat it with the bread because for now, until I drop 20 pounds, yes, I have a freaking goal, until I drop 20 pounds. Then I have, like, what they call this? Curry roll? Curry roll? Yeah. And it come with this dipping sauce. Let me try it now. Let me try it now. I guess it's supposed to be spicy, but... And of course, it's not spicy. I don't drink soda, but... What are you doing? You gotta eat your food.
Okay.
That's how I open it.
You burp.
I did.
Mm-mm.
I love my son. I love you, boo.
I love you.
So, what I do is, okay, my son has, and I broke his apart, and I took all the avocado. Corn. It didn't come with corn. I made the corn myself. So good. My
I
son,
did the burp.
my son burped. I put on the side. I wish I could show it better, but don't worry. It should get better. It's just so like odd. Like even yesterday, I went. Okay, he could burp, but like he's burping like in my face, like. Okay. So like yesterday, I was trying to record one with my sister, but we trying to use her camera, and her camera somehow stopped working too.
I don't like it.
And then you know, like that's why I eat the salad. You see the salad?
You don't like it.
You gotta eat. Eat your food.
Okay. Mm-mm.
I want to know. Would y'all want me to do is it AMSR or ASMR? Y'all know what that is. Because I watched that too. Or depending on who's eating it. I'm a messy eater. I might have to write that in the freaking title. Because I don't need nobody coming in and talking about, you like eat. Your mother. Alright, come on. These people who eat their hand. And that's what their culture do. No Adam's apple. So good. People don't like eating onions. I love onions. Here's the gag though. No, don't act like y'all don't do it. Y'all dating somebody and y'all go to the person's house. Whatever you do. Wait for marriage. Whatever you do. When you're like, I don't want to eat onion because I'm going to, kiss them or whatever. I don't care. I tell them. I be like, yo, I just had some onions, so, and guess what? They still kiss me. They still kiss me. And I love to kiss. You can't be with me and not kiss. You can't be with me and be a bad kisser. Vomit. It's not happening. Oh, I just love avocado.
Mom, do you have soda?
No, eat. Eat.
I don't want it.
Because you want soda. See? I'm saying. I'm not even really into eating this right now. I'll probably save it for my sister. Because my son not going to eat it. Watch. Tyler, you want some? See? I'm not in the mood for it. So, I'm just going to close this up. And I'll give it to my sister. Whoa! My son is laughing at me. It's all good. Cheap ass phone. Phone got a crack on it. Look. I decided. Oh. I can't answer this call. Because I'm recording. I'm glad it don't cut it off. Ooh. Let me tell y'all. I recorded on Mukbang yesterday, right? I burped. Okay, I burp. Here and there. Whatever. A lot of y'all like the burping. I think burping is awesome. Why? Because we're human and that's what we do. Not. Excuse me. Like, no. Fucking burp. Now the whole farting thing. Do I really want it to smell? Let me tell y'all. The last person that I was involved with, he was like, I farted in my sleep. I said, I farted? I'm like, are you serious? I farted? And mind you, like, come on, stop that with the box. Mind you, I'm like all like cuddling. Like, he cuddled me from behind. So it's like, did I? My son is right there. So, what are you looking at? I'm about to tell y'all in a minute. I feel one coming. You heard that little one? Okay, good. So like, he's not looking. When he's not looking, I'm like, did I fart on your dick? Like, seriously? You know what I'm saying? Like, okay. Okay. But he's funny. It was funny. Okay. I should do a mukbang with like X amount. Not that one. Well, anyway, not the one not the guy I was talking about. But I heard of X, right? Who got a girl pregnant while I was with him? Pregnant. And he trying to get me pregnant because he's trying to keep me. Let me tell you guys, looks doesn't matter, but every guy I've been with, when they move on, they don't look better than me. They're not crazy like me. They don't have a personality like me. Not like me. You know what it is? They're safe. I'm starting to realize a lot of men like to be with women because it's safe. Oh, nobody gonna try to talk to her because they look a certain particular way. Or they have low self-esteem and that's what they go after. You can control them. You can't control me. But don't get it twisted. Like, if I'm with a guy, I'm gonna make him feel like, you know, the man. Because he is the man, you know? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Avocado on the boobs. Avocado on the boobs. Let me see if I can eat. I'm fucking weird. Let me tell y'all. I probably changed the subject like 5 million times and I don't even know when I'm beginning or end. Let me tell y'all. When I tell y'all this is how I eat, this is how I eat. I don't know. I think I mentioned it in one of my videos, but I went in a restaurant with this guy. I eat, my favorite when I go to restaurants, if they have pasta, I get the Alfredo. I was eating Alfredo. I told the guy I eat like a pig. He's like, okay. He seemed like a classy guy. Do you think I care? No, I do not care. I don't know if I should be looking right here or in the middle, whatever. Next time I'll do better, but yeah. It was a guy I went out with. I seen like how it is. He was in my cup of tea. And I guess he didn't take rejection too well. That's nasty. I guess he didn't take rejection too well. He was like, that's why you eat. That's why you eat nasty. That's why you had your mouth open. Like, how the fuck am I supposed to eat, bitch? Let me try eating with my mouth closed.
Yeah.
Let me try putting some food with my mouth closed. Like, fuck out of here. Like, why are you all up in my mouth? This is the last bit, guys. It's so delicious. I ate that fast. But it's all good. It's all good. And then, if you make it to the end, know that I will be doing more mukbang. Anyway, I'm so into watching people doing this, like, and I did it like a long time ago. It's just I was never consistent with it, but I will be, because why not? I like watching it. It's a hobby of mine, so I like to eat. Oh, I probably said this like before, but I am definitely going on a cleanse. So, of course, I'm not going to be recording for a week or two, but definitely a week. It's going to be only water and lemon. I'm detoxing myself. And we'll see how I do. And I am going to be recording my journey. So if you do see on my channel the journey and you're not into watching that journey, then just skip it and just wait for the next one. And yeah, like, you guys can tell me what y'all want and etc. etc. I'm like a low key, like, down to earth. Yeah. Oh, burp. Ooh. My son is smiling. Like, he's a boy. And I'm like, I'm not like a tomboy, but like, okay, I'm into video games. Like, my favorite one from like back in the day, Mortal Kombat. I used to pick Sindel, and I used to bust ass with Sindel. And my favorite, I watch sports. Like, of course, Giants, baby. I don't care if they're losing, but whatever, you know. And like games, like, you better come with, you know, your A game, because I'm really gonna play, you know what I mean? So yeah, I went bowling the other day and I bust ass. But anyway, yeah, like I was saying, I am going to be recording, so subscribe, comment, up, down. I don't care if you like this video or not, but because that's life. People not gonna like everything that you freaking do, and I just don't give a damn, okay? So, like, subscribe. Follow me on Snapchat, Magneticjesse. Follow me on Instagram, Magneticjesse. Follow me on Facebook. I think I'm gonna create a like page or something. Actually, I have a like page, Magneticjesse. You could like me on Facebook. I'm typically on Facebook. So, if you wanna comment whatever, I'll put the link below. And follow me on there. And you can comment on whatever post. I mean, it's not really about food or anything like that. It's just about like regular stuff. I like to laugh a lot, so that's what's on there. Anyway, I'm talking too much, so I'm gonna just get off, because you see, I say because, and then I'm gonna go into another conversation. See you in the next video, boo. Later, guys.